Hey YouTube, here we are in beautiful sunny upper northwest quadrant of the country. Today we're going to be fixing some auto body work on my 2016 F-150 with flex glue and flex tape. I am not sponsored in any part by Phil Swift or the Flex Corporation. So let's get started. So I gotta give you a little bit of history and why we're doing some auto body work on this beautiful 2016 F-150. One day in the winter time, I was driving up and I thought I'd be a little bit funny and show off to the kids and do a little bit of 4x4ing in a ice-packed snowbank. Well, that wasn't such a good idea. It kind of broke the cowling on the bottom. So if you come down and have a look here, I drove up on the snowbank and this went crunch and cracked right here and all the way along here. Now what I've done was I went to the dealership to see how much the part was, and it's not much, maybe 200 bucks, but I would have to get up in behind here and take this whole front diffuser off in order to take that off, and that looks like a pain in the butt. So we purchased some flex glue and flex tape. We're going to see how this works. See if it really does hold in waterproof, on plastic, and in all weather conditions. Here we go. Alright, flex glue, strong rubberized waterproof adhesive. Let's see what the instructions say. Flex glue is an easy to use, super strong, rubberized, waterproof adhesive that instantly bonds, seals, and repairs virtually everything. Flex glue's super thick adhesive clings to the surface and can be used on dry or wet surfaces, even underwater. Wow! Okay, I'm not going to read all that. That's crazy. The directions. Surface must be free of grease, oil, and dirt. I previously cleaned it. Remove cap and cut a large opening towards base of nozzle. Squeeze from bottom of the tube and apply liberally to one side of the surface being bonded, and apply firm pressure continuously for 10 to 30 seconds or longer for instant grab to take hold. In some applications, bracing may be required. That's where the flex tape is going to come into play. Flex glue cures in 24 to 48 hours and reaches maximum strength in 7 days. Perfect. So we're going to test this out and see if it holds after about 10 days. Replace cap to help prevent drying. Note: assemble or tool within 10 minutes of application. After use, extend a small bead from the nozzle and screw cap tight. Bead will cure to form a plug. Remove plug and use again. Alright, I'm not going to cut a big one. I'm going to cut just a little tiny hole so we can apply it properly and get it in the right place. Okay, Phil Swift. Let's see how this stuff works. Now I think I only get one shot at this because it has to get in place and I have to hold it there. Ooh, that's not good. I'm making a mess. Okay. Now it's in place. Let's hold it here. Well, has that been 30 seconds, you think? Let's let go. Phil Swift. It didn't work. Okay, that clearly didn't work. So here we're going to try the flex tape from behind in different areas. Yeah, it's working there. Okay, let's put a little more flex tape, flex glue in there, and then we'll put another C-clamp over here. Alright, so clearly it did not work after holding it for 30 seconds. Here's what I had to do. As you can see, there's a C-clamp holding it in place on this side, and I've had to duct tape to the frame to hold the other side. Now we're going to leave it overnight and see if it holds in the morning. And here is Phil Swift's finished product. Not so pretty. Anyways, that's what happens when you want to try something new. Alright, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button down below and the like and comment down below. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.